3D poinsettia nail. So you're going to start off with a very small bead of red that you've dipped into some green. You're going to place it on the nail, fan out the bottom and bring the top of that bead to a point. Then you'll do the same with the bottom bead, the one near the tip or the free edge. If you're enjoying this and want to see any more tutorials, do make sure you drop us a follow and a like. Then you're going to place 2 small beads, as I am here, again, very gently double dipped from the red into the green, and you're going to bring them using the tip of your brush out into a point and fan out the base of the petal. Then do the same on the other side. Then you're going to pick up a really small bead of the green and make that into a point as well. Fan out the base, just exactly the same as you've done with the other petals. Now you could leave it here, or using the same method to create the petals, you could go over the top as well, which I chose to do just to give it a little bit more depth. Once you've added any extra petals that you want, you'll go and you'll do another green leaf shape at the bottom of the poinsettia. Finally, using some crystal glue or some gem glue, you're going to stick in some little caviar beads into the centre. And that's your poinsettia. Any questions? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.